What's up? It's me. So, still here, back in my hometown, Masbate. Kakaalis lang ng cousins at sister ko yesterday pala. So, it's my first day kind of being alone kasi nagpaiwan yung kapatid kong lalaki. So, I'm still not alone at home. It's a much needed break from 3 weeks actually of, socializing. It was super fun, but I think I just needed some alone time again. Actually, kakatapos ko lang magpamassage. Wala akong mapagpatungan nung cam, kaya dito ako sa sidewalk. But this is my cute little bike. I don't know if you can see it, but upo ako para makita niya. Medyo madumi siya ngayon kasi yesterday actually umulan. Tapos lumabas kami because I went to one of my elementary friends' wedding. I have on my seat. Was fun, got to see other classmates again, classmates from elementary. Well, karamihan naman sa mga classmates ko actually nakikita ko madalas kasi may circle pa rin kami, adult circle na madalas nakikita-kita. And then yung iba naman, mga taga dito lang din. So, they're really easy access. Kaya hindi ko naman sila namimiss masyado. And yeah, I just got done with having a massage from this place. I don't know if you can read it, but kakatapos ko lang magpamasahe. Yeah, it's been 3 weeks since my last massage, kaya I really needed it. At the time I'm filming this, I haven't edited a single video from my Vietnam and Bangkok travel. So, meron akong nasimulan actually, but literal na isang clip pa lang yung nadrag ko dun. Because I'm overthinking the music, kung gagawin ko bang parang 1 week na buo or like per day. Kasi, when I started taking videos in Vietnam, medyo hindi pa ako ganun comfortable magsalita in front of the cam. Tapos, hindi ko gusto yung ibang shots ng mukha ko dun. So, yeah. So, maybe come with me na lang as I go to one of my go-to cafes here. I have 2 go-to cafes. Perspectiva has good coffee and Andoy has good food. But, that's all. Yeah. Let's go. Hey, what's up? It's your boy. Finally alone here sa second floor ng cafe. I just got finished eating. I ordered sardine pasta. I forgot what kind of coffee I got kasi wala yung original order ko, but the pasta was good. Although it could use a little more salt according to my taste. The coffee I had today was nice. This place is one of my go-to. As I've mentioned earlier, kanina medyo marami lang tao dito sa second floor kaya di ako nakabuelo. And this is my Sunday regular, going to the city to grab coffee. Yeah, I'm ending my day here because it's another Monday tomorrow. I guess I'll see you on my next update. Bye. Third wedding for June. Let's go. Hey, what's up? It's your boy. Konting fit check lang dito sa church. Tapos na yung wedding ceremony actually. Nagpo-photo op na lang. Yeah, this is my third wedding I've attended this month. Grabe, sobrang busy nung month na to. Daming ganaps. But anyway, this is what I'm wearing. By Magic Tats. Oh, kaya mo yan. And Marilag shoes. Magic Tats, barong, and pants. Usual shades. That's all. See you sa reception. Bye! Hey, what's up? It's your boy. Still here in Masbate City right now. It's currently June. Yeah, it's June 16. Sorry, wala na akong konsepto sa date and time ever since I shifted careers. Well, anyway, fit check. Ano fit check pa ba? Ano fit check pa bang mga kabataan ngayon? I have this barangay tanod hat. I love this kasi sobrang liit siya sa ulo kong malaki. Flame polo from Chatuchak Market. So happy na nakita ko nito sa Chatuchak. Kaya binili ko na agad. And maganda yung tela niya. So all good naman. Jorts, okay. At parang ito rin yung jorts ko nung nakaraang video. And then Nike Initiator. One of my go-to shoes. Beater ko siya at the moment. Pero sobrang gusto ko siyang alagaan sana. Kaso ang ganda niya kasi. Very parang ang edgy niya for me. That's the look for you. I'll see you guys on the next one. I ordered Spanish latte and ribeye steak, rare. You know what I find ironic dito sa Masbate? We are dubbed as the Rodeo Capital, pero parang dalawang places lang yung nagbebenta ng steak. Sana medyo mag-uso rin yung steak dito kasi grabe yung nami-miss out na opportunities. I asked for rare. Rare naman yung binigay. Ooh. Juicy. This is only 345 pesos, but this is the small size. Next size is 500 pesos. Hey, what's up? It's your boy. I'm once again here at Perspectiva, Masbate. Kailangan kong pumunta dito kasi magpapa-grind ako ng coffee beans dun sa isang barista na nakausap ko last time. Yung beans is yung nabili ko siya sa Hanoi. Medyo di ko kasi nagustuhan yung beans ng Chatrambu. Kaya gusto ko nang tikman din. Yung isa kasi feeling ko better siya. But anyway, just a quick fit check. This is a shirt I bought from Chat to Chuck Market. And one of my favorite pants, simple belt. And this shoes na medyo matagal ko nang hindi nagagamit kaya ginamit ko today from Nike. Fit check. Favorite shoes, favorite shorts, favorite doggy. Today is June 30th, last day of June. That's it. This is Rufus, by the way, one of my two dogs. Yeah, I'll end the video here and I hope to see you guys in the next ones because I have an upcoming trip but may mga inaasikaso lang akong papers. I'm really looking forward to it. So anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Arf, 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 arf.
Hey Billy, you there?
Grateful